In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix vibration not working on Samsung phone. It's a full guide, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you can do is run the Secret Hardware Diagnostics test. Open up your native phone application, then go over to your keypad, and then you want to type in the following: star, hashtag, 0, star, hashtag, and then you're going to see a button labeled vibration. It's going to appear like that screen, and then you just want to press that vibration button. Now your phone screen should go black or white and start vibrating continuously. If it vibrates, your hardware motor is completely fine and a software setting is causing the glitch. So tap the screen to exit back to your home menu, and this code may not work on certain models, but just go ahead and press back. Now what you want to go ahead and do is unblock the sound system and haptic level. So go over to your settings, then go ahead and find sound and vibration. So we're just going to go ahead and find that right now, but that's going to be towards the top. Go ahead and click on it. Then what you want to do is tap on sound mode, and then from there ensure it's on vibrate or sound and it's not on mute. If it's on mute, you're not going to have any vibrations. So just switch it to vibrate and then you'll be good to go.